So let's take examples. Let's say example 1. Express the following. Express the following as a product of primes in index form. Express the following as a product of primes in index of form. That is in short and form instead of the long process. So we have A. We have 24. B. We have 48. Let's say C. We have 63. D. 91. Let's use 92. And the last, let's say 136. Now, solution. Okay, I want to express these numbers as product of what primes in index form. Okay, in index form. So this is the main purpose of what these values. This work. The main purpose of this work is to use this index form that we have known how to put numbers into. Okay, now let's take A. Just follow me. We have 24 here. Let's say this is 24. We want to get the prime factors of this 24, just as I told you. So when we get the prime factor of this 24, instead of us writing it, instead of us expressing it one after the other, we now shorten it, put it in the short form. Okay, so we have we have 24. Then we have to look for the factors. Then when you are obtaining the factors of number, after using you use the prime factors in the division. Now, when you cannot divide, it's when you try another prime factor. Okay. Then using that prime factor in your division, when it cannot divide, you try another. Okay. So that is what is going to happen here, as usual, you know. So we have 2. Starting from 2. 24 divided by 2 will give us 24 divided by 2 give us 12. Give us 12. Okay. 2 can still go. 2 divided 12 divided by 2 give us 12 divided by 2 give us 6. 6. Okay. So 2 can still go. 6 divided by 2 give us 6 divided by 2 give us. So 2 can still go. 2 divided by 24 we have 12. 2 divided by 12 we have 6. 2 divided by 6 will give us 3. Okay. Can 2 go? 2 divided by 3 will give us we have a remainder. So 2 cannot go. So the journey of 2 has ended. So try another prime factor. So try 3. Okay. 3 divided by 3 will give us 1. So these are the numbers, these are the prime factors of 24. So if we were to write it before, I want to say our prime factor is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3, just like that. But in this question, we have to express it just straight to the shorthand in this form. So we have that 24 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2. Instead of writing 2 times 2 times 2 times 3, the index form is equal to 1, 2, 3. You see, 2 is how many? 1, 2, 3. Unless it is 2 index 3. 2 index just like 2 power also. You see, I'll now put it up. How many they are? I counted 1, 2, 3. I'll now write it small at the top. 3. You see, times what? 3. 3 is what? Just only 1 times what? 3. Okay. Now 2 times 2 is what? 4. 4 times 2 is what? 8. 8 times 3 give us what? 24. So 2 raised to power what? 2 index 3, which is 2 power what? 3. It's the same thing as what? 2 times 2 times 2 is same as what? 2 into what? 3 places. Then times what? 3 gives us what? So this is what? The index what? Form. Index form. Okay. So this is our answer in index form. Okay. So let's look into what? A. And this is it. So let's take B. The question B. 48. Okay, I'll now come. This 48, I write it out 48. Now, I want to what? Obtain the factors also. Then express the answer in what? Index form. So this is, I have what? 48. Now, I told you that if you are obtaining what? The factors, obtain the factor of number, you start with what? The prime factor, you start with what? You start with the lowest prime factor. The lowest prime factor. The lowest prime factor. The lowest prime factor is what? 2. Okay. 2. We'll finish using 2. Try on that one. So 48 by 2 give us what? 48 by 2 give us 24. Let's see, 24. Then 24, 2 can still go again. So 2. 24 by 2 give us what? It's going to give us 2 by 2 is what? 1. 4 by 2 is what? 2. So we have what? 12. So 2 can still go. Bring down at 2 here, 2 can still go. 12 divided by what? 2. 12 by 2 give us what? 12 by 2 give us 6. 12 divided by 2 give us 6. Okay. So if 12 by 2 gives us 6, then under there, therefore, and 6 is also divisible by what? By 2. So it means that what? 2 can still go. So our 2 here, 2. So we have 6 by 2 give us what? 3. So we have 3 here. 3, you see? So 3 by 2. So at this junction, the journey of what? 2 has ended, because we use 3 to divide 2, I want to have what? Remainder. So that terminates the journey of what? 2. Now try another what? Prime factor. Another prime what? Factor. So the next prime factor is what? 3. So I try 3. 3 divided by 3 will give us what? 3 by 3 will give us what? 1. So it therefore means that these numbers are what? Our prime factors of what? 48. So let's say that our 48 is equal to the elaborate process 2 times what? 2, the long process, times what? 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, times what? 2 times 3. You see? So we have to write it in index form. So it is equal to, I will now count. How many 2 do I have? This one of my 2, 2, 3, 4. My 2 here is what? 4. So I will now say 2 index. You see, I want to shorten it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Index what? 4. I will now put 4 small on top of it. Yes. Showing that it is what? 2 times 2 times 2 times. This is just the short form of from here to here. The 2. Then times what? 3. Index form. Index form. Very easy. So 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 16. 16 times 3 give us what? 48. Okay, let's take C.